Welcome to 30B Prices Court. This nice 3-bedroom, 2 full bath duplex patio home, the 2-car parking pad, updated vinyl flooring inside, as well as a back patio. It's located on a cul-de-sac street in the Harbison neighborhood in Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-26, as well as great dining and shopping in Harbison, Lake Murray, and a quick commute to Columbia, or downtown Columbia. So you can see we're on, again, the cul-de-sac. You have entry here to the parking area. It is for both of the units, the entrance to that, but you do have ample parking here on the left side for unit 30B. Go ahead and take a look inside. So you approach, you have just a slight bump there as you go in, not quite a full step. As you come inside, you notice nice neutral paint throughout on the interior. You do have updated vinyl wood look flooring in the entry, the kitchen, and both bathrooms as well. Open floor plan, living and dining area off the entry here. So you have a sort of bay window on this side, ceiling fan, and everything's open to the dining area, which has a couple of windows and a pass through to the kitchen. Again, the kitchen has the updated flooring as well as black appliances. There's a included refrigerator, above range microwave, electric range, and a dishwasher, and wood cabinets. And on the opposite wall here you have your washer and dryer connections inside the laundry cabinet, full-size connections, and also some built-in shelving and hanging space above. And then out back here you have your backyard space that is shared with the unit next door. So you have a patio right off the back of here, and then a nice yard space, and that does sort of look out towards a utility easement, so that should be nice and private back there. And you also do have a outdoor storage closet here as well. So back inside, down the hall, you have a full bathroom here on the left side with a single vanity, some updated lighting, and a shower and tub. Pull down here in the in the hallway, maybe some possible attic storage. There's a coat closet to our right and a linen closet on the left. And then 3 bedrooms off the hall as well. This is the first of 3. And you can see the closet there. I believe this is the smallest of the 3 as well. You also have bedroom number 2. Both of these face the front of the unit. Nice big closet in this one, and a larger room. And then last but not least, the master or owner suite. And you have a ceiling fan in here. It also does have a walk-in closet. And there's also a full bathroom with the updated flooring, single vanity, and a shower. That completes our tour of this home at 30B Prices Court in Harbison. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.